Are you struggling to read data from a remote Hive server using Spark? It can be incredibly frustrating when you see only column names and no data. If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore how to troubleshoot this issue together. I completely understand your frustration. It's annoying to know that data exists in your table, yet your queries return empty results. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when connecting Spark to Hive. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out with a question about executing Hive queries on a remote Hive server from Spark. They provided a code snippet and mentioned that despite having data available in the table, their output only shows column names. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So, what could be causing this issue? There are several potential reasons for receiving empty results, such as incorrect JDBC configurations, compatibility issues between Spark and Hive versions, or even network-related problems. We'll break it down step by step. And stay tuned. I have a crucial tip at the end that could help you avoid this problem in the future. To begin resolving this issue, the user should check the JDBC URL format. Ensure that it is correctly pointing to the remote Hive server and includes the correct database name. Next, the user should confirm that the Hive server is accessible from the Spark environment. This can be done by testing the connection using a simple JDBC client or command line tool. The user should also verify that the table name specified in the DB table option is correct and that the user has the necessary permissions to access the data in that table. Additionally, the user can try running a simple query directly in Spark to see if it retrieves any data. This can help identify if the issue is with the query or the connection. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should check the Hive configuration settings, particularly those related to the JDBC driver and any potential network issues that might be affecting the connection. Fun fact, did you know that Hive was originally developed by Facebook to help manage their massive data sets? It's come a long way since then, but sometimes it still has its quirks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by Paul Staub involves creating a custom Hive dialect. This dialect ensures the correct quotes are used for escaping column names. First, define the Hive dialect by overriding the can handle and quote identifier methods. Next, register the Hive dialect before calling spark.read JDBC. This step is crucial for the dialect to be recognized. Finally, execute the spark.read.jdbc command with a fetch size option to retrieve the data correctly. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adding a fetch size option to your JDBC connection. Specifically, they recommend including the line fetch size set to 10. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your Spark and Hive versions updated and check for compatibility before starting a new project. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of empty results from your Hive queries. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and remember to keep experimenting with your data.